Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. So once in a while, people are contacting me and saying, hey Paul, what's up with these Bolex standard 8mm motors, the spring motors inside their cameras. Alright? So they're asking me, why can't I get this thing open? Well, the reason for that is that Bolex did not intend to have this motor repaired, only replaced. So if you're thinking about going over here to the corner or at the end of my pencil eraser and forcing this thing open or unscrewing this, it's not going to happen. These motors, this barrel was sealed at Bolex in the factory, okay? So you're not going to get it open, okay? The only thing to do is find another motor on an online market and replace this to put it back into your camera. That's it. I can repair these, but it's a real pain in the neck. All right? So, just to answer your question, Bolex never intended for these things, these motors, these spring motors to be repaired, only replaced. They are sealed by the Bolex factory from back in the day. All right? Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.